Introduction to SQL joins. SQL joins are an essential concept in database management and play a crucial role in retrieving and combining data from multiple tables. Understanding how to effectively use joins is fundamental for anyone working with Microsoft SQL. This article aims to provide a comprehensive explanation of SQL joins in the context of Microsoft SQL, covering various join types such as inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, and cross join. By exploring syntax, examples, and best practices, this article will equip you with the knowledge and skills to leverage SQL joins efficiently in your database queries. What are SQL joins? SQL joins are a way to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. By using joins, you can retrieve data from multiple tables in a single query. Importance of SQL joins. SQL joins are essential for working with relational databases. They allow you to establish relationships between tables, enabling you to fetch relevant data when it's spread across different tables. Joining tables helps you avoid redundancy and maintain a structured database.